Hey guys and girls, this is Alec Apples and Serve, and today I'm going to be doing a review on my custom Allie Nature. It's a girl I created, and her name is Allie Nature, and she loves nature, and her favorite color is green and blue. Those are her favorite colors. So, here she is. I used Glue and Beach Claudine to make it. That's her ears and everything. Her hair is brown. It's up in a bun with a blue ponytail because that's her favorite colors. She has a purple earring, and then a green and blue earring. Then she has bangs, which brown, some purple. And she has gold eye and a green sun on her cheek. And she has pink lipstick. And she has bangs, and this eye is normal, but this eye is like a flower that I put on. She has like a choker necklace. And she has and her nails are painted green. She has green wrapping down her arm, and she has a purple flower on her hand. Her shirt, it looks yellow, but it's actually a light green. Because of the light, it looks yellow, but it's a light green. It's this color green. You just can't see it. And it's blue up here, and it ties. Then under her arm is a blue flower, and she has a green stand with a blue bottom and a green waist wraparound waist, and she has real gargoyle shoes. I was gonna paint these green, but since I have two pairs, but I don't want to. I don't want to mess them up. They're white with like a fleur-de-lis clip, and they're open-toed, and they're heels. Just regular heels with lines, and there's like swirls all over them. There's like a thing that wraps around, kind of like an anklet. Same with the other shoe. And she has this notebook. You can open up the pages and everything. And she has a gray book bag with strings and everything, and it opens. In the background is and she just fell. Here, me, little girl. Just kidding. The background was the upstairs part of the school. After high school. Gargoyle. Yeah. That is my custom Allie Nature. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. I know I just said that, but oh well. And I would like to give a couple shout-outs. Rookie Warrior 23. Hey. Betsy Limbs. Hey. Brianna Lever 62. Hey. Claudina 9. Hi. Sorry about that, Claudina 9. I don't want to say hey, because you're a boy. Be a little weird, but hi. The Bunny Girl Network. Hey. I'm trying to remember. Generator 12. Hello. To mix some tea. Sorry. And Deuce 4835. I think that's the numbers. I know there's